today, the weather is simply beautiful. Light drizzling, fresh breeze, and the calming sound of the sea waves. Let's take a peaceful round on deck and enjoy the ship's structure and surroundings in this wonderful weather. In this weather, everything looks clean and refreshing, with a thin layer of rainwater making the steel shine. As we move forward, these are tank domes. Each dome gives access to the tanks below where cargo is stored. During operations, these domes are inspected regularly for pressure and safety. In drizzle, they almost reflect like mirrors, adding beauty to the deck. Here is the midship crane, a vital equipment used for handling hoses, stores, or even lifting spare parts. In this moody weather, the crane stands tall against the cloudy sky, giving a dramatic view of the deck. Here we can see the cargo manifolds. Cargo hoses are attached during. These are the connection points where loading and discharging operations. This is one of the most unique views on a ship, the Bulbous bow. Just beneath the waterline, it helps reduce resistance and improves fuel efficiency. Watching the bow cutting through waves in drizzle is simply mesmerizing. With the drizzle falling on the ocean surface, the scene looks calm yet powerful. A ship's deck always has something fascinating to show. Today's drizzle and fresh weather made this round truly special. From manifolds to tank domes, midship crane, bulbous bow, and stern view, the ship is alive and beautiful in every corner. At the stern, the ship leaves its mark on the sea. You can see the wake created as we move forward. Thank you for joining me on this deck round. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sea life moments.